Hey everyone, welcome back to sgrvtech class. This is Prabhavatikundaragi. Today in this video, I am going to teach you past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So I am going to explaining those tense by giving a small example. Okay? Yeah. Yesterday, Sahitya and Kamala played tennis. See here. Yesterday, okay? See here. This is a yesterday. Yesterday, Sahitya and Kamala. They both played which game? Tennis. Okay? Tennis. This game, they started at 10 o'clock. They started at 10 o'clock and finished. They finished at 11:30. They finished at 11:30. So 10:30. Okay, at 10:30 they were at 10:30. At 10:30 they were playing. They were playing which game? That tennis. They were playing a tennis. See, you can observe here. They were playing. Here this they were means they were in the middle of that playing. You can observe here. That game, they have started the game at 10 o'clock and they have finished it 11:30. But see here, we are going to talking about the middle. Okay, this is what they were in the middle of that playing. It means they hadn't finished that playing. At 11 o'clock they have finished, right? So here you can observe, if you want to talk about any something middle, it means in the previous day or previous year, at this time yesterday, otherwise in the previous year, what the things or what the actions you were doing. So that one you can say in this past continuous tense. Yeah, so here the helping verbs are was and were. Okay, was and were plus v1 plus ing. Okay, so here as usual subject is there and here object is there. So this is our structure for past continuous tense. And this was is, okay, this is only for I. Okay, this is for I, he, she and it. Here in the past continuous, you should use this was only for these pronouns. And how about this were? This were, it is for we, they and you. Got it? So here you keep remembering verb with ing. Verb with ing. So let us take some example. So first example is I was doing something. Okay, I was doing something. It means I was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. The action or the situation had already started before this time but hadn't finished. Got it? So the situation or that action, it is already started. Okay, this is started, this work, it is started, but see, this is the ending point. It means so still it is a working on, it is not finished. So at that time you can use this one. So here I am going to give a proper example for this one. Okay, yeah. This time last year I was living in Hyderabad. See here. This time last year I was living in Hyderabad. It means what? See, now it is 2021, right? Okay, it is 2021. This time last year means what? Last year in 2020. So where I was in Hyderabad. Got it? Yeah. Let us see the next another one example. Just yeah, I'm going to change this color. I went to Harish home. Okay. I went to Harish. I went to Harish's home. Harish's home, but he wasn't. But he wasn't. He wasn't in the home. He wasn't in the home. Here you can observe this one. First sentence. Yeah. I went to Harish's home. This is what? This is a simple past tense. Okay. I went to Harish's home, but at that time he was means what? Who? Harish. He wasn't in the home. It means he wasn't. Don't know where did he go. But when I went to Harish's home, at that time this person Harish, he was not in the home. And another example I'm going to give you. You were busy when we arrived. See, for example, you went to any your relation's house. Okay, you went to any of your relation's house at the time. If your cousin is he was doing some work at the time, you can say you were busy. Okay, you were busy when we arrived. Okay, otherwise you can also say you were washing clothes. You were washing clothes. You were washing clothes when I came to your house. When I came to your house. Okay, yeah. You can observe there I used were. Why? Because of you is there. So you keep remembering, friends. Here we often use this past simple and past continuous together to say that something happened in the middle of something else. For example, Sahala. Okay, Sahala phoned. You observe this is what? This is simple past. While we were having dinner. Sahala phoned while we were having dinner. We were having dinner. Okay, yeah. Let us take another example. I'm going to take a ride. It was raining. See here, it was raining when I got up. Okay, it was raining. It was raining when I got up. It means before I got up, this raining. Okay, this raining, it is already started. That is already started. So then you can say, when I got up, it was raining. It was raining when I got up. Here you observe this is a was. Why was? Because it is there. It is the pronoun, and here you can observe the verb rain with ing. Here this I got up is what? This is the simple past tense. Okay, yeah. So another one example we can discuss. I saw you in the park yesterday. See here, I saw. Why saw? See. Okay. See, saw, seen. Okay, right? See, saw, seen. So this is I saw. I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park when? Yesterday. See here, yesterday. Instead of yesterday, you can take any the past. Okay, day before yesterday. Otherwise, I saw you in the park last month. I saw you in the park last year. You can say you were. Okay, at that time when you saw. Okay, when you saw him or her, what work actually they were doing. Then you can say, I saw you in the park yesterday. You were You were sitting. See here. You were sitting on the grass. You were sitting on the grass. Sitting on the grass and reading book. And reading book. So many you can make your own examples. You can observe here. Yes. Yeah. I saw you. This is what? This is a simple past. And here you were sitting. Okay. You were sitting. This is what? This is a past continuous tense. Were is there as well as this ing is there, friends. Okay. Yeah. I hurt my back while I was walking in the garden. See here. I hurt my back. I hurt my back. Oh sorry, I'll change this color. Yeah. I hurt. Okay. I hurt my back. I hurt my back. When this was, because when means at the time of working. When I was working. When I was working in the garden. Walking in the garden. It means during the when he was working in the garden, at that time something for his back, something hurted. Okay. So here in the past continuous tense, what you should keep remembering means the first one is structure. Okay, the structure you already know. Here we use this was and were, and for negative you just use wasn't and weren't. And if you want to make interrogative, okay, let us see another one example for this. Yeah. Okay. He was working. He was working in school. You can say he was working in school. This is what positive sentence. You can convert this sentence. Into negative. How? You just add not. He was not working. He wasn't. Instead of was not, you can use wasn't. He wasn't working. He wasn't working in school. He wasn't working in school. If you want to convert this one in negative interrogative means use was first. Was he working? See here. Was he working in the school? Was he working in the school? Question mark. If you want to make a negative, then wasn't. Okay. Wasn't he working? Wasn't he working in the school? See, this is simple. See, just in tenses, so many of you have asked. It means, yeah, I got so many messages. So if you want to keep remembering the tenses, okay, the main thing is that you just keep remembering the formula. Formula means that is structure. This is the formula. And the second thing is that in which condition, okay, in which condition we should use, or we should make our sentence in which tense. This is the main thing. If you know these two things, then easily you can make so many sentences, and you can create so many sentences in your own way. Yeah. And another one thing is that you just first try to practice. Okay, practice makes man perfect. So just try to practice, guys. I hope this video helps to you. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. See you in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.